Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to listen to TikTok live stream in audio mode. Alright, so it's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, first step you want to take is to of course open your TikTok app and join a live stream that you want to listen to in audio mode. Alright, for example, let's say I join B's live stream right here. Right, for example, this live stream, and I want to listen to this live stream in audio mode on the background of my phone. Right, so I want to be busy doing something else and listening to the live stream. So what I just have to do guys is to look at the bottom area of my screen and I'll find the share icon right here. Right, so just go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, the next thing you want to do is to look at the bottom area of your screen. You're going to find all these options right here. Right, just scroll right until you see this background player. It's right here, so go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to see this audio option right there. Select it. Once that is selected, you are going to keep playing audio from live videos when you exit the app. Right, so once that is selected, I will just go out from the app and then I'll just have to
Are you schooling in Odo? Yes.
So that's it right there. So as you can see, I can listen to this live stream on the background of my phone, and I can even do something else like visit other apps on my phone. So that's it guys on how you can actually do it. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.